ever felt your heart pounding out of your chest at the thought of speaking in front of a crowd? If so, you're not alone. Public speaking can be daunting, but with the right techniques, it can be mastered. Tip 1. Know your audience. It's crucial to understand who you're speaking to. Are they novices in the field or seasoned experts? What piques their interest? Tailoring your message to your audience's knowledge level and expectations can go a long way in making your speech more effective. Second tip, practice makes perfect. Rehearsing your speech multiple times can help you become familiar with the content and delivery. Try practicing in front of a mirror or record yourself to spot areas where you can improve. Thirdly, organize your content. A well-structured speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion can help keep your audience engaged. Using bullet points or visual aids to highlight key points can also be beneficial. The fourth tip is to master nonverbal communication. Your body language, gestures, and facial expressions can speak volumes. Maintain eye contact with your audience and use confident posture to exude authority and credibility. Our fifth tip is to control your voice. Vary your tone, pitch, and pace to add emphasis and keep your audience engaged. Ensure you speak clearly and project your voice so everyone can hear you. The sixth tip is to engage your audience. Encourage interaction through questions or anecdotes. This can help create a connection with your audience and keep them actively involved in your speech. Seventh, manage nervousness. It's completely normal to feel nervous before a big speech. Try practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or visualization to calm your nerves. The eighth tip is to focus on your message. Stay on track and avoid rambling. The last thing you want is to confuse your audience with unnecessary tangents. Ninth, use visual aids wisely. Slides, props, or videos can enhance your presentation, but remember, keep them simple, relevant, and visually appealing. Finally, always seek feedback and learn from experience. Constructive criticism is a powerful tool for improvement. Reflect on your experiences and continuously strive to enhance your skills. Incorporating these 10 tips into your public speaking practice can help you become a more confident and effective communicator. Remember, public speaking is a skill that improves with time, effort, and dedication. So don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Persistence is key. Good luck on your public speaking journey.